Today we're gonna do a regular air conditioner maintenance, which I would recommend you to do at least once per month earliest, and if you can't do that much often, at least every third month. By doing that, you will avoid huge buildups of dust, and depending where your air conditioner is placed, oils from kitchen or something like that. And by doing that regular maintenance, you will save your money, because you probably know how much professionals ask for deep cleaning of your air conditioner. But if you do things like this, you can prolong that period for deep cleaning. In this case, this air conditioner is in service for 5 years. It was never deep cleaned because I was cleaning the filters and other things on it regularly. And by doing that, you can prolong needed time. The first thing and basic thing which you need to do, and you can do this every month, at least this, is to clean your filters. You don't need any special solution or something like that. It is enough to just clean these in the hot water with some detergent and leave them to get completely dry. As you can see, there is a lot of dust buildups here. I was really busy, so it is the first time that I didn't clean them regularly. But I will show you now what you need additionally to do to prolong the time until you need a deep cleaning of your air conditioner. Okay, the most important parts now are these. You want to remove this wing here. Depending of your air conditioner, removing this is different, but it is quite as simple. Depending how much buildups, I always clean this with microfiber cloth and cleaning solution, because there is dust here and you don't want that dust to get blown in your face. The next thing is quite as simple. You want to get your vacuum cleaner and vacuum top part of your air conditioner. There is huge amount of dust buildups on the top. People don't clean this, and when you clean the filter and start AC again, it will just blow that dust again in the filter, and basically you didn't do much. So you want to first vacuum top part and get it completely clean from the dust. I will try to show you my tool now for cleaning. This is a wireless cordless vacuum cleaner, but it has this beautiful attachment. You see that it is angled. So basically what I will do is clean the top with it like this. Okay, I vacuumed the top and I did a bit of vacuuming here. That brush is removing dust particles and it vacuums them, so it really helps with cleaning. Now you get your microfiber cloth, get it a bit wet with cleaning solution for glass, nothing special, and do like this. You want to cover completely. And as you can see, there is not that much of dust, but still there are dust particles which are picked up by microfiber cloth. You want really to be detailed on this part. I also like to try to reach every spot where I can go with hand. As you can see, quite dirty. Now I will try to clean a turbine a bit. As you can see, there is a lot of dust in the turbine. The turbine is quite hard to reach and clean without disassembling the air conditioner completely. So what I will do, I will again use my cordless vacuum cleaner, and with that brush I will try to clean everything as much as possible. Turbine is quite hard to reach, so what I will do now is again get your microfiber cloth a bit wet and try to clean manually. And you probably don't see, but when I swipe it with my microfiber cloth, I actually turn the turbine and try to reach it in complete circle. It is a bit daunting process, but if you want your air conditioner to be clean, you need to do this, all to pay professional to deep clean it. But this is the next best thing to do. By doing this, you will completely remove the bad smell, odors or something like that, because this is relatively clean. Okay. You see how much dust from turbine. Catastrophic. Okay. Now we get a vacuum cleaner again. When you do all the vacuuming, again you get your microfiber cloth, get it a bit wet, and try to do that final touch where you can reach with your hand. And at this point you now wait for your filters to get dry, and you can reassemble the air conditioner, and you're ready to go. Now we can reassemble everything. A neat trick to get this closed properly is to turn on AC. And now close it. And you will get a perfect fit. Ta-da! I want to show you how 5 years old air conditioner looks like. This was from the factory. These were curved, but as you can see, in nearly pristine condition. Even the turbine is not that much dirty. Keep in mind that this air conditioner, I'm using it for heating and for cooling, so it nearly works 24/7. And by this method you can see how good it can be maintained by yourself. So this was my quick guide to get your air conditioner in top shape every time. By doing this, you save your health, save your money, and save your time. It is quite a simple. Anyone can do this without any problem. You just need a vacuum, a microfiber cloth, and some cleaning solution. And that cleaning solution doesn't need to be anything special. In my case I'm using a Clean for Windows from Henkel. You can use anything else. It is just important that it dissolves grease and that is a good solid cleaner. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comments down below. Please consider subscribing. It will help a lot on the long run. And until next time, see you.